9 एप्रिलाक गायब जाल्ल्या अल्पवयीन चलयां विशीं रिपोर्ट केल्लो. 2021 सावन 34 चलयांचे अपहरण नोंद जाला. 2022 48 जाल्यार अंदू 13 मार्च मेरेन 12 चलयो गायब जाल्यात म्हूण रिपोर्ट. पुलिसांनी हे खबरेची दखल घेतल्या.
In 2021, 34 were missing, 31 are traced. In 2022, 48 were missing, 45 are traced. 2023 as of now, 12 were missing, 11 are found, and one is this. When we have analyzed this age, it is 17 and above. Now, because of Supreme Court mandate, and as they are minor, below 18 years, we go within 24 hours when they are not found, we register the cases of kidnapping and investigate the case with seriousness. Most of them, it's not the kidnapping for ransom or prostitution, forced labor, bragging, human trafficking or organ transplant. Such things has not come on the investigation at all till date. However, it is the neighbors who have befriended them from their class or other class, and they have eloped with them. So it's a issue which definitely family policing and a lot of counseling needs to be done in these matters of their vulnerable age.
चडश्यो केशी तडीक लागल्यात. मात अजून 7 अल्पवयीन भुरगीं मेळपाची आसात. तातूंत 15 वर्सांच्या एका चल्याचोय पत्तो ना.
Number 7 you are quoting is of the year 2021. We have 3 untraced children. For the year 2022 we have 3 untraced, and for the year 2023 now we have 1 child who is still not traced. Now when we have analyzed, what we have seen is that these girls who are missing are of the age 17 years, on the threshold of their adolescence, of their major age. Simultaneously, investigation have also come to know that some other boy also of that little older age also is missing with them. These 3 cases, what we have found is that they were friendly, and that's how they are missing, and appears to be they have gone to some other place in search of their employment along with this eloped their partners.
गायब जाल्ल्या भुरग्यांचो पुलिसांक विसर पडूंक ना. सोद खंय चालूच आसा.
Still investigating, Goa police is still investigating these cases. We are in close liaison with the family, and necessary steps have been taken. Even though time has lapsed, but Goa police has not forgotten these cases, and police are investigating these cases to see that these minor are traced.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.